Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a really exciting topic, laser engraving on 3D printed parts. If you've ever wondered how to add intricate designs, logos or even personalized text to your 3D prints, you're in the right place.
9, 6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Laser engraving can take your 3D prints from simple to stunning. And the best part is, it's way easier than you might think. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add professional grade engravings to your projects. So first things first, what exactly is laser engraving? Laser engraving is a process where a high-powered laser is used to etch or burn designs onto the surface of a material. The laser works by vaporizing the top layer of the material, leaving behind a precise, permanent mark. As you can see, it's a very precise process. The laser doesn't just create superficial marks, it can crave into the material to create depth and texture. And the best part? It works on a variety of materials: wood, metal, acrylic, and, of course, plastic, which is exactly where 3D printing comes in. Now, let's talk about why laser engraving is such a great match for 3D printed parts. Whether you're using PLA, ABS, PETG, or other common 3D printing filaments, the laser can create amazing detail on the surface. 3D prints often make a smooth surface, which makes it easier for the laser to interact with the material. Also, because 3D prints are often relatively soft, the laser can engrave them without having to deal with the hardness of something like metal. Plus, 3D printing gives you the flexibility to create customized design, and when combined with laser engraving, you can add intricate details like logos, text, or even personalized patterns. Alright, so let's talk about the equipment and materials you'll need to get started with laser engraving on your 3D printed parts. First up, you'll obviously need a laser engraver. We are using the Laserpacker 5. There are lots of options out there, from entry-level machines to more advanced machines. The one thing to keep in mind is the power of the laser and whether it's suitable for the material you're working with. You don't want to burn through your 3D print, so make sure your engraver has adjustable power settings. Most modern engravers have software that lets you control the speed, power, and frequency of the laser, which is a key for achieving clean and detailed engravings.
Introducing PCBWay.com, the online one-stop shop for all your electronic ambitions. Need circuit technology or small-run manufactured parts, PCBs, 3D prints or CNC millings in PLA, ABS or aluminium, and a whole rainbow of color options. Upload your specs, approve the design, pay and await express delivery. Fair pricing, no minimum orders, and total control throughout. Contact our design team at PCBWay.com.
Once everything is set, hit start and watch the magic happen. The laser will move across the surface of the 3D print, engraving your design into the material. As you can see, here are the test results. The best results occurred from darker colors. Especially black PLA and ABS gave us great results. And depending on the depth, we got different shades on the prints. Grey is another color that worked well. From our test results, we can say that the sweet spot for the Laserpacker 5 on full power was around 45% depth. The lower we went with the depth, the less shade we got. White and red were colors that needed a slower engraving, and yet didn't give us the desired results. The material either melted or was just not good enough. Laser engraving is all about creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. I hope this gave you the confidence to try laser engraving on your own 3D prints. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kinds of engravings you'd like to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more 3D printing tips and tricks, and hit that bell so you don't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!